This is your brain. Have you ever wondered what your brain looks like? Well, here you go. This is your brain. This is bread. Not sure if you've ever wondered what that is, but this is bread. These are scrumptious Dafty Singles. Any questions? The question from the peanut gallery was, are you always so boring in the kitchen? My answer to that would be, no, I'm not boring in the kitchen, but I can be dafty. And while we wait for the big reveal and flip over of this wonderful Dafty Scrumptious Singles sandwich, doesn't that look outstanding? Not dafty at all. Do you know what the word dafty means? Google it, my friends. And there you go. A Dafty Singles Scrumptious cheese sandwich for you and all to enjoy. Golly gee whiz. Remember when you were carefree and single? Can you remember back that far? Want to meet singles in your area? Call area code 010-010-010-1 to connect to the Dafty Singles party line.